Every once in a while a company comes my way that makes me incredibly happy. A good friend of mine alerted me to Bullrun. Bullrun is a crypto platform that allows you to participate in the best trading strategies in the world. I studied it and started 2 months ago. Hi, I'm Geert Louters from the Netherlands and welcome to this video. In various Facebook groups you come across them continuously. Beautiful earning models, and you are being promised that you can stop working soon. Often with returns what is officially not possible at all. After a while the website goes off the air and you have lost your money. To be honest, in the past I was very sensitive to this and I lost a lot of money in the process. Now I have trained myself to only invest in good companies that work with realistic financial numbers. I can now recognize the good ones from the bad ones. So with Bullrun, it's different. What is Bullrun? Bullrun is a trading platform where highly experienced traders work for you. The historical return on their results are very high. Now I should add that historical numbers are no guarantees for the future. The 2 months I've been at it now have made me feel very good. Great trading results have been achieved, but in any case, I think the historical return is already great. A super result. If you want to start Bullrun, however, you have to be there on time. Once the total amount of all investors has reached 50 million euros, the system is locked and no new investors can be added. At the moment they are at a percentage of 35%. When the 100% is reached, the door will be locked and it will become a private club. If you would like to join, please join quickly, before it is too late. And now comes the fun part. You can choose to reinvest and receive interest on interest every month, or you can get paid monthly. Every 10th of the month you will be paid automatically and it will be deposited in your exchange without any extra costs. The minimum to start is €100 and your investment never expires. So it is completely passive. The nice thing is that your deposit always remains yours. If you want to stop, you can immediately deposit it back into your exchange. We get paid automatically, every 10th of the month. If you want to use the compensation plan, you have to start with €300. Then you will be accepted and become a distributor. More information about the compensation model can be found at verdienwijzer.nl. Whether you are as enthusiastic as I, and others, or you prefer to put your money in the bank against a few percent interest. That choice is yours and I can't decide. Only for European countries. Because your deposit is in euros. The KYC can block you, otherwise ask for more quickly. Thanks for watching this video.